How to redeem PayPal gift card. In this video, I'll explain how you can redeem a PayPal gift card. A PayPal gift card is essentially a prepaid card that adds funds to your PayPal balance. These cards are often branded as PayPal cash cards, PayPal digital gift cards, or may even be received as reward codes from third-party platforms. To redeem a PayPal gift card, you need to ensure your PayPal account is verified and active. The balance from the gift card is usually transferred to your account either by entering a code or by following a redemption link. Once the funds are added, they become part of your PayPal balance and can be used to make purchases online, send money to others, or transfer to your bank account depending on the card's terms. Keep in mind, some cards may be region locked, and PayPal may not accept certain codes depending on where your account is registered. So always check the terms and make sure your PayPal country settings match the gift card's requirements. Also, if you receive the card from a third-party site or through email, double-check that the source is legitimate to avoid scams. That's a quick overview of how PayPal gift card redemption works. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.